13 and 15-year-old among three teens charged with the taking out of a young farmer. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 7 TV News Report. Three male teenagers were on Tuesday charged with the murder and illegal possession of firearm stemming from a gun attack which resulted in the death of a teenage farmer in Bull Savannah, St. Elizabeth last month. The accused teens, aged 15, 13, and 18, are also from the Bull Savannah area in the parish. Their identity were not released by the police just yet. The deceased has been identified as Romario Bond, otherwise called Budodo, a farmer of Red Bank District in St. Elizabeth. According to police reports, Barnes went to visit the mother of his child on Thursday, November 11, and was approached by the teens and another male about 7:30 p.m. It is understood that an argument developed among the individuals during which Barnes was shot. He was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. It was reported that at the time of his death, that 3 days before the fatal encounter, Barnes was involved in an argument with a group of men over a stolen bike, after which a report was made to the Junction Police in St. Elizabeth. Barnes, who made the report, was taken into custody and questioned after it was discovered that the motorcycle he drove to the station was neither licensed nor insured, nor had no plate attached to it. He was released from custody 2 days later but was subsequently shot and killed. The three teenagers were later arrested and charged this week following a question and answer session with the police. In the meantime, the police investigators are continuing their search for the fourth person who was implicated also in the murder. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.